What's up, everybody? How you doing? First off, let's do the Luigi family handshake. Okay? So, for this handshake is this. Alright? First off, I need to take care of something. Alright, don't forget. Right, left, just salute, alright? I'm ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom. Hey! One time flex on those heels. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Since I am on the way to 100k subscribers. Alright, so please get to 100k. That would be good, alright? Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. No, make sure to give this video a use like on this video. And make sure to turn on the notification bell every time I post every video on my channel. Anyway, today, this video might get sad, have fun, a little bit though. So, first off, I still haven't hard times working on this leg. I mean, you can see this leg straight down to my leg. It's still pretty sore, still needs a rest from walking still, but I do have a promising in the next 2.5. So, but I'm not gonna say where I'm going because I'm not allowed to say very important words I'm supposed to put on the camera. Anyway, everyone, today I decided to grab my phone and just make a video because I have something to say very emotional. Alright? Everyone, so first off, make sure to comment down below on the comment section right there. Make sure to type down what kind of ideas to make more videos. Alright? So I really need to see that. So yeah, hence second this video. In this video, it's gonna it's gonna be fun, but I am going to show you how to make microwave popcorn. Alright, and that is the title: how to make microwave popcorn. Alright. Could you put the title on the bottom of the video? Right there on the bottom. Anyway, let's get to it. Become it, okay? Anyway, just grab a piece of popcorn. So this is microwave. Right there. I'm backwards, but it's okay though. Now let's go grab the popcorn bucket. Okay? It's on your hand. But anyway, I'm so sorry that I had been sick most days, but I'm mostly fine. I just couldn't make more videos anywhere in the house but this photo. Anyway, let's get back going. I'm going to show you how to make microwave popcorn, okay? Let's see what when I'm gonna put you or do on this pot. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to make microwave popcorn. Alright, so first, cover popcorn bucket and put it on the clearest pot. Take that, unwrap the popcorn pot. Put it away in the middle of this. Then put it this way. And then this way. And then you put it in the microwave. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then please go and use like on this video. If not, then it's not fine though. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay gaming. We're out.